This tutorial is Stop Windows Update PC online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Is to click here, type to search, and then type in Windows space update. Click on Windows Update settings, and basically you can pause the updates right here. If it's not paused, you click the second option, pause updates for 7 days. Or you can click below View Update History, Advanced Options, and scroll down under the Pause Updates area, and click the drop down arrow under Pause Until, and scroll all the way down to the latest date. In this case, I already have it set so that the Windows Update is paused for 35 days. The next way is to type here on the search bar, run, and then type in here on the screen, services.msc, and click OK. And then anywhere click and type W, because this will bring up the W keywords, and then scroll down until you see Windows Update. For me, it's below Windows Time and above Windows Update Media Service. Right click, click Properties, and then under the first tab, General, next to Log On, under the Startup Type, to the right of it, click the drop down arrow, and you can choose to click Disabled and click Apply and click OK, completely for free.